Okay, I just got this box. I'm gonna do the unboxing of the Curry 4 Flotro Curry Camp. Okay, I'm gonna try to open it. It's made in Vietnam. Let's see what it looked like. So this is my second curry. Second curry shoes. So we got this paper. I got this from Under Armour, their website. Yep. It's a size 8. For a little Flotro. Oh, it got open. We got a big box. A smaller box inside. Yeah, let's see this. It was open. It's probably from all the shaking going on. Shipping. So it says on the box Curry, the logo sign, size 8, Curry floor, low Flotro. Okay. It's nothing in here. Okay, let's see what it looked like. So it's got a yellow inside colored. Nice. This is the size 8. So you got the Under Armour logo. Steph Curry signature. Let's see. The SC. It turns that way. Neat. Get a SC. So you got this pattern right there. Nice. This Flotro. Alright guys, that's about it.